Hey, good evening, everyone. I appreciate your patience. We still have the participants joining. If a thumbs up, if I'm audible, just give me a thumbs up or unmute yourself and just mention as audible or mention in the chat. Okay, great. Thank you for your
Audible, sir.
response. Just allow me last 1 minute. We will start at sharp 6:35. We still have our participants joining. Okay. All right, guys, before we go ahead, I just wanted to understand the audience. So let us start this with a quick poll. There'll be a poll question which will appear on your screen. I just wanted to understand what is your current status regarding your internship or the training. You have joined Rooman Technologies either in paid, free, or stipend, still figuring out and deciding. Joined other institute or a company, not yet joined anywhere. You get 30 seconds. This will help us to answer your questions in a better way. So please help us with the poll. I just have 25% of them responding to the poll. At least 50% will help. Okay. All right. With 55% of giving me the response. Okay, that's good. 60% of them have responded. Okay, this is surprising. 22% of them who are there in this meeting have already joined Rooman, either as a paid or a free or a stipend student. And 30, okay, I think I can display. 33% of you guys are still figuring out. And 5% of them have joined other institute or a company. And 40% of them, that is the majority of them, have not joined anywhere. And you still have 3 days to decide. Okay, that's interesting. And the next question was, what is your biggest confusion right now? Which technology to choose? Placement opportunities, your cost affordability, skill versus the certificate confusion, whether you have to choose the skill or you need to go place where they're just giving out the certificates. Okay. The response is interesting. The third question was, how clear are you about your career direction after your graduation? It's like you are pretty much clear, like you want to become a data analyst or a machine learning expert or an AI product developer, or you're still somewhat clear, or you're still confused, completely unsure. I am happy to see that just 2% of you is completely unsure, and the rest of them have figured out. Great. And what's your primary expectation from an internship? Is it the placement support, the practical or the hands-on skills, industry exposure, or just the certificate, or stipend, or the financial support that you get from the internship? Here, 71% of them have chosen that they need practical and hands-on skills. Great. So I think we are good. I have understood you now. Who am I talking to? Let's end this poll. I can share the result. Hope the result is visible on the screen. What's your primary expectation from internship? Great. Thank you. Okay. You're still figuring out where to join, how to join, whether you will be trained, do you get the hands-on experience? Is it just another training center where I'll be joining? And we had 40,000 applicants who had applied for the internship for all the three variants of paid, stipend, and free, of which we have offered 500 plus offers for the free internships. And along with that, the most anticipated, the stipend ones, we did take an interview, or there was a selection process where there were 2 to 3 rounds of interviews in which we had scrutinized you and asked you to develop a product, out of which we have selected around 25 plus students. The seats are that most of them who could not make it through to the stipend and the free, for them, we had come up with, just give me your screen. Yeah. As I said, we had 40,000 applications, which we have received. And if you have selected, this is such a huge funnel that you have crossed, and you have been few of them who have already started working. In fact, we have invited everybody, all the 25 of them, to join. But due to your examinations and other things, only 4 or 5 of them have started to work even before the exam started. And they are all in the meeting. You can hear from them in the later part. We have the rest, another 300 seats only available for the paid internship among these job roles. It could be the data analytics intern, backend developer intern, DevOps intern, cloud computing intern, front-end, that is UI UX intern, ethical hacking and penetration testing is about cybersecurity, AI data analytics, advanced track. These are available both in online, like 100% online, and hybrid mode. Whichever, if you guys are interested to know, sir, I don't want completely online, I want to do it in hybrid, then there's an option for hybrid as well. Or no, I don't know, I can't travel to Bangalore, I will not be able to come here, so I would like to take it remote. There is 100% online as well. And this is going to allow you to enter the ecosystem of Rooman technologies, and through which the benefit is, as I was saying, for the AI product development, we still have the openings and the requirement because we have multiple projects in hand and we need as many people as possible. But the selection process which you went through was a 4-day process. But once you enter the ecosystem, you will be the part of Rooman family. Based on your performances, we are going to give you the opportunity to be the part of our AI product development team. And we will talk about that, how you can be the part of it, all of this in the next few minutes. We are just waiting for our CEO, Mr. Manish Kumar, to join. Sir, if you're there, take over.
I'm still traveling, so you can give them the details, like, and also we are having the team from VTU, so probably even they can join. I will be joining in the next 5 to 5 minutes. I think it will take. So in
Great.
the meanwhile, you just finish off the things and all. You
Sure.
explain them what are the different opportunity, and after that, probably Manjunath is also here. So he will be showing what exactly when we talk about AI product development. So what exactly we do and all that also we will be sharing it with them. So what I want is first of all, you tell them that what are the online programs we are having. Maybe you can take them on the VTU internet that website itself and show the courses what we are having,
Mhm.
uh, and then I will be joining and I will be explaining
All
it.
right, sir. Sure. Thank you. As mentioned, we did get these are the number of applications that we received. And if I come to the internships that we offer, this is the one, the AI agent developer, which was for paid, and AI product development. This is the paid one that we have. Full stack web development with Gen AI. Most of them have chosen this as their career because full stack web development with Gen AI. And most of our courses are with AI. As we know that we can't run away from AI. Every other course with us is with artificial intelligence. That is DevOps and cloud computing engineer. Even this is also paid. AI, machine learning, and engineering internship. If you would like to know what is there, the part of it, you will gain the hands-on experience on building and training and developing AI ML models through real-world industry-focused projects. I hope you guys have gone through all this and only then applied, or you have just applied because it was available on the portal. So these are the ones. We have AI in cybersecurity intern, ethical hacking and penetration testing, backend developer intern, machine learning intern. And for this, the paid internship, there are two different variants, as I said. Either you can choose completely online or the hybrid one. The online is 4,500. We looked into all the opportunities that has been published, and we made sure that we can't go anywhere other than making it this easier for you to enter the ecosystem and then be the part of our AI product development team. Ultimately, we want you to end up there. That is the whole idea. And we also have another opportunity. If you have any ideas or you want to develop or you want to take your project to a product and you are wondering, how can I do it? How do I start? Do not worry, we have the answer for that question as well. These are the internships that are available. AI product developer is the stipend one, it's closed for now. And AI agent developer, which was free, is also closed. The rest all are available. And as you know, you can just go to companies and here you can search Rooman. You can still see 21 opportunities are still available. You can go to any of these and you can apply. As we mentioned, we are waiting for another last 300 seats. After that, we are going to close this, and you're left with another 2 days. That is the 9th and the 10th to make the decision. If you need any help in making the decision, you can log into our website and you can call on our number, which has been shared. I'll be sharing that number on the screen soon, and that number will be in the chat. You can call on this number. We are there 24/7 to help you to understand what are we going to cover this, what is the duration, how many hours of training will be conducted, how a project can be developed into a product. All these information we can give you over the phone 24/7. The number is now there in the chat. Meanwhile, if you guys have any questions, you can unmute yourself so that we'll be able to answer you better. Any doubts, any questions till now?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. I have a
You
doubt.
can raise your hand. Yes, please.
Sir, what if a student is already opted one course in your Roman technology? What if they want to change their domain? Is there any possibility to change there after taking the course?
Was it taken in paid or free?
Paid.
Paid. This will become a challenge because you guys are following the VTU internet portal, right? Any
Yes,
changes that has to
sir.
be done, it has to be done in the, even if you take up 2 trainings with us, both of them will be reflecting in your name and you will be getting the certificate from both. But
Okay.
interchanging cannot happen because once it's already been locked to one, it's one, only one.
So there is no chance to change your domain after opting one.
If you have already chosen and paid for one, no, you can make another one and you can have both with you, but it cannot be interchanged now in the back end.
Okay,
What
sir.
is
Thank you.
the course she has selected and what she want to change to?
Which one you have selected already?
No, sir. I have a just doubt. Is it possible?
If
That's
it
it.
is genuine, in
There is
that
no
case, we
inter-
will see. There is always an option, right? So we will see how exactly it can be done. If it is something which is matching, in that case, maybe on the portal it remains the same, but at the same time, while learning or the output can be different. So that we can. So there is always kind of, if you want and there is the concern is genuine, in that case we are here to help you, not to create any bureaucratic process because of which you are getting stuck. Okay, fine. So good
Okay.
evening to all of you.
Thank
In fact, I was just traveling, so that's the reason it took, and I need not talk about the Bangalore traffic, and also that's a known excuse always. uh, in, in fact, I was having a meeting with the country head of Cap Gemini and all. So requirements are there, and I have seen uh, there was a poll which was done by Rakshit, and where you have mentioned, like, what exactly you feel, what you want, and all that. So
So you have been muted. Could you please unmute?
it happened. Okay, fine. Yeah. So I feel, am I audible now?
Yes, you are.
All right. So you have given the answer and all, and what I want is just to share that this is what exactly was the answer uh, given by you that 99% of participants are saying that all of you are giving the answer here, and 22% have joined Rooman, 34% is still deciding, 39% have not joined, and placement opportunities is the 55% of you wanted the placement opportunity. So usually we always feel that no students are bothered about the cost and all, which shows very simple here that it is 13%. So no one is bothered about the course, but there should be a placement opportunity, right? And you're obviously industry is changing, trend is changing, and that's the reason it is you are having the mixed response over here. But this is the one which I wanted to highlight, that 71% of you have told that the purpose of internship, the expectation from internship is that I want to learn practically, right? So all of you want something, you feel that still something is there for you to learn. So now what exactly we are offering? So we are going to offer you that learning itself, right? So let me check if I am having the team. So from your colleges itself, from VTU, what we did, we have taken four of the interns, five of them precisely, who is already working, and in the last 1 week or 10 days, what exactly they have done. So probably I would like to, Sanjana, are you there? So if you can come and you can talk yourself that what we have done, what was the program, how you got selected, and what's the output, I would like to. Please go ahead, Sanjana. Mm, unmute yourself.
Hello.
You are audible, Sanjana.
Yes, sir. Good evening to one and all present here. So, yeah, I am Sanjana, currently in my seventh semester, a VTU student, pursuing my bachelor's degree in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science branch at BGS College of Engineering and Technology. So, I have been interning at Rooman Technologies as an AI product developer intern. And it's almost like I have been interning in the stipend track. Like the hiring process, as mentioned by Rakshit sir, was of the two rounds. That was the project based round, which was like conducted for 48 hours. We were asked to develop an LLM, like choosing one of the problem statement from what was given to us. And also the second process was for the selected students there. It was a technical interview, so I was able to clear that, and now I'm interning at Rooman Technologies as an AI product developer. So we have been actually before our exams, it was like around 1 week we have been to the office where we all worked, like myself and my fellow interns, where we have worked on site. So there we have got to tell about the experience at Rooman. So far what I've been there, it was truly an immense experience there, because I got to actually delve with the experienced professionals there. And we've also, like as an interns, it is truly a great platform to actually explore ourselves and to learn more better than at college. Here we'll be giving the practical exposure to ourselves. And also yeah, there we together as a group, we have been actually assigned an internship project there known as Enterprise LLM. And also we are under the guidance of the mentors, like the Kanishk sir and Aman sir are our mentors, and they are actually guiding us through each and everything. We'll be having the meetings every day, and whatever the project we have worked on, that will be giving the update, and also they'll be correcting us then and there itself, and also they'll clarify our doubts so that we can move together as a team forward, and we'll be actually working more better to what we have to achieve. So this was all like the experience at Rooman so far. And also to tell and mention about the project that we have been working on is the Enterprise LLM. I'll just give an overview on what we are working and what we have developed so far, and it will be taken over by Faizan and Afreen. So they'll be explaining about those roles and responsibilities that we have been working on that project. So coming to our platform, that is Enterprise AI platform. So here the situation or the problem statement what we have found is, in most of the enterprises what we have done, the teams wants to use AI, that's something like the ChatGPT or something, but they simply can't trust the public tools with their internal data, right? So here we have even been provided with the in-house data, and how managingly we are working with this data is the real task. So there is no, in the outside you can ask like, what made you choose this kind of project and what is the actual solutions or the outcome from this project. Yeah, there is no clear separation between the departments, and there is no control, or then there is no proper tracking there. So that's what makes the AI more powerful but also risky at one perspective for the real organization, because of the privacy concern, and also they can't leak their data in the public, right? So this was the problem statement what we have taken, and the approach that we are going to build is the goal was to design an AI platform where the enterprises can actually use without any fear. Okay, so we are more focused on keeping every departments, every internal, and mapping users to departments and making sure AI responses stay within, but also with the defined access boundaries. And the idea is to give an AI the freedom, but with a proper structure and a proper monitoring and control access. So this is the task or the goal what we have fixed and what we are working on. And the action that we are implementing to develop this project is that we are building the system so that the AI can run locally without any external API keys or without any external calls. So, and every user interacts only with their departmental data. And also we have the clear separation for this, like the private chat is also there, and also we have the departmental one and the organizational one, where we'll be having the separate privacy and also the separate access given to the admins and super admins. That will be explained further. I'm just briefing you all about what we are doing. And also, it's basically a ChatGPT style interaction, but with a more enterprise level governance. So, this is what we are trying to do. And the outcomes and the impact that the results or the outcomes we are offering is that with this approach, we are going to develop the organization can confidently adopt AI without worrying about any data leakage. So that's what we are trying to do, and we are going to achieve it soon. And also, employees get the relevant and also the context aware assistance while managing the visibility and also into the usage and value. Overall, we are going to build a platform where we are going to adopt an AI, but in a more secure, compliant, and also actually usable at more scalably one. So this is what we are trying to build, and we'll be giving the live demo using the demo video and the work done so far. So I'm going to proceed this with the Afrin.
Thanks, Sanjana. So basically, like what she wanted to say, it was it's not maybe she used the word project. So obviously, because you feel it as project, but it is kind of the product what we are developing. So basically, when we talk about the AI and all, it is good for the personal reasons now. But suppose if in a government company, in the government organization, or in a corporate, if they want to use, they don't want, like maybe your university or your college, if they want AI, in that case, they don't want their contents to go to someone else. So then what will happen? They will say that, okay, why don't we have a like secured AI. So what they are working on the project, that create a, take the LLM, create a model, put it on a server, customizes it as per the requirement. Suppose if a university, in that case, we will put the AI tutor into that, let the professor put their content, but it is not on internet. So what happens, whatever is the content of the university, that will be there with them only. And with that, they are going to ask the questions and all that. So that kind of real time, so it is, we are working on the product, and in that they are working, and it is hardly 10 days, and we have given them whatever is the required information, and they are working on the real time product. So tomorrow when the product is launched in the market, in that case, they are going to lead it also. So this kind of opportunities what we are providing. So yeah, probably Afrin will. So you people can make it quick. Afrin, you can just show the video, or if you want to brief, so you can do that in the next 2 minutes.
Yeah, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Afrin Kausar, and I'm currently.
Go ahead, go ahead. Unmute yourself.
My name is Afrin Kausar. I'm a 7th sem BE student in computer science engineering and with specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning at Savvy Institute of Technology. So I have joined an Rooman Technology as an AI product development. And why I joined Rooman Technology? Because it focuses only on practical and real-time industry projects. Instead of only theory, we actually we actually design and build real-time systems following proper industry standards like security authentication and role-based access. So coming to my experience till now, it has been very good and very practical. The mentors guide us properly, and we work like a development team. And like I learned how enterprise applications are structured and how security is handled in real-time projects. So about the project we are working on, it is an LLM enterprise. It is a secure enterprise AI assistant platform for organization. So the contribution, so my main contribution in the authentication is in the authentication mode, which is a core part of the system. The model ensures that only authorized users can access this platform. So the system starts with a welcome page where user or admin can log in using their email and password. And later only a OTP is provided and with the to the registered email. And only after OTP verification, the user is allowed to access the dashboard. And we also implemented a forget password flow where user can securely reset their password using an OTP verification. And so there is a dashboard where users and admin account, we have separate accounts for user and admin account. So the system supports both user and admin account. User can create normal accounts while admins have additional fields like organization name and name selection. So admins have higher privileges like managing user and departments, while only users can access features allowed to them. And we have also enabled you private chat for user, and admin can have three accounts, that is department chat, organizational chat, and even they can access the user history but not the private chats. And even to improve user experience, the platform also supports social logins options like Google, GitHub, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And throughout this project, I learned how enterprise guide authentication systems are designed and how ATP-based security works and how role-based access is implemented in real applications. So overall, this project helped us to gain industry experience and understand how secure enterprise AI platforms are built. And now my colleague Faizan will be showing you the demo of the project.
Good evening, everyone present here. So myself, Faizan Khan, and I am a BE student in the CSE branch at the Oxford College of Engineering. And I recently joined Roman Technology as an AI product developer intern. So like as according Afrin said, so I will share the video, demo video, like what we have worked till now.
Yeah, go ahead, Faizan.
Yes, sir. I have sent it a request to share the screen.
So, guys, what I wanted to say before the video starts, like, you will be getting a chance if you join. So, might be you can join any of the program. So, basically, what was happened that these guys, like out of 20,000, we have selected some 20 of the candidates, 0.001% kind of, but at the same time, that time we didn't have the enough of time and we have done. But now if you want, in that case, you can choose any of the online programs, so whatever the programs we are offering, and you choose anyone, because you have to finish the formalities of VTU. So you can pay 4,500 and you choose any of the program. When you are undergoing online program, in that case we will try to evaluate you, and if we find that yeah, you are good, in that case we can push you in the AI product development team. So that's what I wanted to give the message actually, that you still, even if you didn't get into the stipend one where it was very much competitive and you have to develop a product within 48 hours, and might be, I understand you might have your exams and all, so you didn't able to do it. But now if you want, in that case, still one more chance is there. You choose any of the program which is related to you, and start with the online training, and in the meanwhile, within the next 15 days, 1 month, we will be evaluating you. And if we find that, yeah, you are good, in that case, we may give you that opportunity to work with the team where we have the, the all the seniors are from IITs and ITs and all, with whom these guys are also working. Yeah, go ahead, Faizan. Two
Sir,
minutes
is
you
my
can take.
screen is like
Yeah,
my
it is
screen?
visible.
Yes, yes, sir. So I will start with like login page. Yeah, this is the landing page what we have created. So it has the mode for the dark mode and like light mode, day mode. And this is the login page where you can log in using the credential given by the super admin, like user or admin. Yeah, now it's login admin page. Yeah, this is the admin page where you can see the like chatbot with the multi models. You can select the models from this drop down, and yeah, the admin can have this sidebar tools like charts, user, logs, and records. In user, like yeah, in users, admin can create a user. Yeah, in user like user page, he can create a user, employee or admin. Like admin can only create a employee and give the credential, share the credential with the employees so he can log in. Yeah, these are some of you what we have created like employees for a demo. This is the log page, like which user is logging at what time and what a date and how much time he is working on this application. And this is the records, like from which department the user got login and what he has used and what he is like working with. Yeah, this is the super admin panel where he can create users like employees and he can create admin together. Yeah, this is the log. He can check the log of our full organization and the records of the organization. And yeah, this is the chat like conversation screen where we will get the three types of options like a private chat, department chat, and organizational chat.
So basically, it is kind of like, it is a enterprise AI, so which is not like your common chat GPT and all. So here, what we do based on the organization, we customize, we take the LLM which is required, we create a model, and we give it to them. So anything related to the organization and all, we put the data. So ultimately, your data is not available on internet, or it's not available in public domain.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Thanks, Faizan. So, the team has explained you what exactly. So it is just 1 week, and after that, once again, they are busy with their exams and all. So, it's we are not talking about like, going ahead and doing some kind of the uh, program and all that. So what we are doing is we are allowing them to work on the real time project. So to cut it short, rather than we talking much, I would like to, so as you have seen, Rakshit has shown you that we are having so many courses which we have put it in the online mode. So if you are interested, you can also talk to your friends and all. You can join any of the program, and after that what we will do is we will take you, we will evaluate you, and then if we find it is good, in that case we will take you on our AI product development team. Not only AI product development team, but we are also working on a concept called Startup Varsity. So suppose if you are interested in, this is on 16th of January, we are going to launch. So still we are building it. But if you want, you can always go through this website. So this, like I will just share. Mm, so this is startup startupvarsity.com. So startup VAR, not VER, startupvarsity.com. So where we are saying that 10 of the people, so here we are having the founder who comes from a background of IIT and IT, or from IIM and all that, he has worked in the companies like Microsoft, Google for 5-10 years, and he wants to start a startup. So where we are giving them a seed fund of 7.5 lakhs. On the day one, company is created, founder is there, and then we take 5 of the interns and assign it to that particular team. So that means you are already on the job on the day one itself. So total 10 of the persons are there, 5 tech intern, 2 non-tech intern, that is from MBA or a BBA kind of background we take, who will be doing the sales and marketing job. You guys can do the development job. Then there is a founder, there is a CBO, chief business officer, there is a CTO. Company is created, vision is being done, and here we can go ahead, and it is a real company. In 4 months you have to come out with the product, the top product, whichever is the product what you are creating is good. For that we are going and giving the funding up to 1 crore. So 20 lakhs we are giving the reward, and 80 lakhs we are arranging the fund from equity or the debt funding. So this is another program, but this is coming on a cost. So you can see here, so this itself will give you the real time, because the company is there on the day one, and you started working there. So here it is in the company, the person, because we are also putting the money of 7.5 lakhs. So founder comes with a 40% equity, co-founder comes with a 20% equity. Suppose you want to join, in that case, here it is a 1 lakh fee, but you will be getting 4 months program, 10,000 rupees you are getting your stipend. So that means 40,000 comes back to you. So it works out to be kind of 60,000. But in this, you are working in a real time company, it is your company. Suppose if an individual, so either you can apply for a co-founder, not as a founder. We are restricting only to the experienced people. But if you feel that I can be a CTO, you can apply for that. We can train you on that, or else you can go ahead with this. Or you say that no, I want some stake also. In that case, we are having the option, that is where you get a 5% equity, and then the fee goes 1,37,500. So if not, in that case, every individual will be getting 1% of equity. So even though I'm saying 1 lakh is the fee, 40,000 rupees you are getting back. Otherwise also, if you go to do any of the training in any training company, in that case anyhow you'll end up paying 60-70,000. But here what happens, it is your company, it is you got the stipend also. So you can always put that I have got 6 months of working experience at the end of the day. And when you go, you can put it on your resume, what exactly you have done in the company. And it is a full-fledged team is there. So you are having the HR, you are having the sales and marketing guy, you are having founder, co-founder, everyone is there. So this is going to give you a real experience. So we are calling it as a startup sandbox. So you come, if you want to create any startup but you are scared, here I am giving you the fund, I am giving you the team, and with this you try doing something. And if you are successful, you launch the company. If you are failure, still you are a winner, because even if you fail, the knowledge what you have got, this is not being taught in any of the college, because you have already created a real time product. Might be it is success failure, that could be secondary, but experience what you have got. Now you don't know what is the SLA, what is the ticket, what is the project management, how to handle the customer, how to present it to the all those things you will be doing it in real time over here. So if you have the time, and you can also go through this website startupvarsity.com, and if you are interested, in that case do let us know, because we are going to launch it on 16th of January. So I would like to get the input from, and now also we can have it, because I think we are already done. So now also we can have a discussion on this. If you feel, if you can give me some comment on this, I would be happy to talk on that. So that's it. We have told you that there are people. We are not coming and we are not giving you something, just product project kar lo or certificate le lo. So it is not in our interest. In fact, last year we have done it for all your 20,000 of the people we have trained, right? So you might be knowing. So we want to be very genuine. So it's, if you are having the passion, AI is disrupting the world. If you want to work on AI related something, then you are welcome. Now let us start with the answer session. You can unmute your mic or you raise your hand, we will unmute you and you can ask the question. At the same time, also you can put your questions in the chat box. So I will try to, because another meeting I am having at 7:30 with US, but whatever is possible, I will try to answer, and the rest my team will take over. Please go
Hello,
ahead.
hello, sir.
Go ahead. Go
I
ahead.
hope I'm audible.
Yes.
Sir, I had a query with regards to a problem which a lot of my friends are also facing.
Tell
So
me.
we got selected for the free internship, and the
Okay.
offer letter was raised.
Mm-hmm.
But in the VTU portal, what the issue is happening is that it is just showing shortlisted, and confirmation has not come. If we are
Mm-hmm.
asking our placement officer, he's telling us to
Mm-hmm.
ask Rooman Technologies, and if we ask Rooman
If we
Technologies,
if we have given you the offer and if it is not happening, in that case, you come to us. We will see to that. You consider it is done from our end. So probably you drop a mail to which email ID? Do we have a separate email ID for this, Rakshit?
Sir,
Do we have a separate email ID or something for this internship? Or in that
so
case,
they can
take
write it to
all the
my email
email
ID, sir.
ID. If they
Yeah.
are, see, we have raised the offer, we have given them the offer. If there is any technical problem, and because of which they are not able to do, in that case we will take it up, and we are considering it is from our end.
okay. And so with regards to the Varsity school, which you were talking about now, there was this premium subscription for the interns, wherein we get the 5% equity.
Correct.
Is that equity retained even if we leave the company after a few months or something like that, or is it a conditional equity?
No, it is a conditional equity that if you continue with the company after 4 months, then only we are going to release that equity to you. That means the
Uh,
company is already successful and you are going ahead with the company.
And sir, I had an off-topic doubt, if I may ask.
Please.
Sir, with regards to AI, as we know that AI these days is becoming nerfed and the results are not as good as it were earlier.
Yeah.
So down the line, do you think that companies will rigorously adopt AI similar to the boom which we saw last year and last to last year? Will the companies
All
still
right. So
adopt
this is
them?
very common question, and I think the answer to this will be helping to all of you. It is very simple language. I will explain you. There was mechanical effort what we were putting before the industry 1.0, right? So then electricity came, and then motors came, and it has changed the whole industry. I will not go to the 2 point and 3 point. Next come to the internet. The once internet came, after that what happens, that today you can see that Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato, Netflix, all this Uber, Ola. So that is the production of this. So is that, are we talking about now Amazon is bigger than AT&T? So we are not bothered about who has invented internet. So today whatever you are seeing, so this is the third version where it will be the part of our life. Without electricity we can't go. Without internet today we cannot survive. So the same way now AI is going to be the part of your life. So tomorrow we will forget either it is the AI is of OpenAI, or it is from your Meta, or from Google, or Amazon. What we will be, that once the applications are all developed on that, then it will be kind of a commodity for you. So all the applications will be developed on that. So it is very simple. You cannot ignore it. Today you say that no, I don't want internet. It is not possible. So maybe 2 days you will not eat the food, but 2 minutes you can't stay without internet. So that way AI is going to be the part of our life take it from me. So only thing is how you are going to adopt it. So you start developing the application. So as I told that the company which has made the backbone of internet, they are not that rich. Who has used it like Amazon and Netflix, they are more richer. So that way, yeah, developing the application on this AI, that is going to fetch you the job, and it is a golden period, I'm telling you, because this is just starting. I have seen that in 2000 2001, the people who entered into IT industry, today they are sitting in Silicon Valley. I have my student who is like, very earlier period we trained. Today he is kind of in the second line of command in Microsoft in Silicon Valley, and he reporting directly to the top level CEO and all. So it is a good time. I think you have to take AI seriously and start building your career based on it.
And sir, does the like startup school which you talked about now also provides incubation like support
Yeah,
and training?
it see it is here what we are going to do is, as I mentioned, there are 4 months. So suppose if we conduct the test same like for your stipend wala, what we have conducted the test where we will give you the assignment that in 48 hours you give me the product. If you are able to qualify, in that case I put you directly on that 4 months internship. Suppose if you are not, you say that no, I don't know, still I want to learn. In that case, we are going to train you for 2 months, and these 2 months we will suppose that module is, we start with the Python, we start with the basics of data science and all that, and after that we take you to the product level. So where you say that I want to get into the cloud, or I want to get into cyber security, or I want to get it into data science. So whatever you like, based on that we will be giving you the profile, and then we push you to the founder that who will be utilizing you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. My doubts have been
Yeah.
resolved.
Thank you. Anyone else? And if you have any concern, in that case, here on the chat box, Rakshit has put his email ID, rakshit at Rooman.net. You can also send it to him, the mail. We are available on the phone. Different WhatsApp groups have been created. So you can reach out to us, any one of us, at any given point of time, and we are here to help you. The thing is, it is really a golden period, I'm telling you. Today, if you do well, if you don't feel that okay fine, I have to get into this company, that company, because all the companies are facing the challenge. All the big companies, they themselves are not sure that how they are going to drive. Forget about Indian companies and all who keeps giving you the offer later and after that put you on the bench. I'm talking about the companies like Microsoft and Google. Satya and Sundar Pichai is not able to say that how exactly AI is going to turn the things. Now, the other day I was hearing the interview of Sundar Pichai. He says that 25% of my company's work is done by AI. So the things are going to really change. So better you understand, and whatever the courses we are offering, we don't want to give you the software testing and Java full stack developer and all that. Yes, we will be teaching you that as well, but at the same time, how 3 months job you can do it in 3 days. That is what is our aim. Yeah, Hari Prasad, go ahead, unmute yourself and talk. You have any question? All right. If no, in that case, I have another meeting starting in 3 minutes, so probably I may check out. Uh, Rakshit, you can check if there is any
Sure.
question, you can probably answer.
Sure. If you have any questions, please put the question in the chat, or you can unmute yourself, raise your hands. I have published the calling number. You can WhatsApp or the mail.
Hello, sir.
Pramod, you have your hands? Yeah.
In this
Pramod,
your
go.
company, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, Pramod, tell me.
In your company, 4,000 people are applied, sir.
Hmm.
You are saying startup, sir.
Okay.
Only few gets job, sir. Other do not, sir.
I didn't understand, Pramod. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Sir, you are doing ಇದು startup, sir.
Correct.
Somebody
It's
say had get,
hmm.
but other people are not get, sir.
Exactly. That's why we say that it's based on the performance. Correct.
Yes,
Startup
sir.
will not. Startup will is not a place for the person who just wants to come, sit, and go. Startup is a place where you learn, you build, you deploy, and you go. Yes. If you have the
Yes.
intention to learn, if you have the intention to build, definitely startup is the place. And why can't you be the one who got the chance to be the part of the startup? Why you want to be in the ones who did not get selected?
I
That's
start
how
to
it is.
learn.
If one can do, anyone can do. Let's be
I,
optimistic about it.
I
Yes,
have not idea about AI, sir.
you have no idea. Absolutely fine. 90% of them do not know what AI is. For them, AI is just the full form artificial intelligence.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is way beyond it. That's absolutely fine. If you do not know, we will help you to learn.
Okay, sir.
All right. Any other questions?
No, sir.
All right.
For online mode, what is the timing?
Timings and all will be published. Once your exams are done, we will send you the offer letter with the timings. As in, we will intimate you through email.
Sir, one more thing, our college is asking for commencement letter.
Your college is asking for?
Commencement letter.
I am not able to get you.
Sir, commencement letter.
Commencement letter. We will publish soon. Okay, we will talk to VTU based on that, whatever the requirement is. We are working with VTU, correct? So anything that they need, we will definitely provide. How to get the offer letter? If you have already made the payment, within 24 hours, the offer letter will be released.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
When you are conducting the assessment, sir.
There is no assessment as such because now it is only for the paid is what the availability is. You just have to let me know because we have only 300 seats and we have already issued the offer letters. If somebody doesn't accept it by the end of the day today, we are going to revoke it and give it to the other person who are interested, who are waiting in the queue. Anything else?
Do you not have any free opportunities anywhere?
It's done, sir. Free and stipend opportunities are already been given. 500 plus offers have already been issued. Not only
Regarding the
we are there in AICTE as well. It's a nationwide internship program. We have applications from Pan India. And there is a limit for free. So we have crossed the limit now for free. Yes. Any other question? All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. I wish you all the very best. Definitely, AI is not going to take the job, but the person who knows to use AI will definitely take your job. Instead of competing with it, make friendship, work with it, and get your careers settled. Thank you so much. Good night, everyone. I'll be there in the meeting for the next 5 minutes. If you want to stay, I can chat